In our morning rounds, new research suggests women's brains do not age as fast as men's. A study in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences analyzed brain scans of more than 200 adults from age 20 to 82. Female brains appeared on average almost 4 years younger metabolically than male brains of the same age. Researchers at the Washington University School of Medicine measured the flow of oxygen and glucose. Now, that's a type of sugar known to change as we grow older. Dr. Gayatri Devi is a neurologist at Lenox Hill Hospital, part of the Norwell Health, who specializes in memory disorders. And good morning. So this is interesting. What have we learned about why women's brains are younger?
We actually don't really know. We can speculate that it's because the genes that are responsible for energy metabolism in women stay active longer, don't change as fast as they do in men. But it was a great study because they looked at over 200 brains of men and women, ages 20 to 80, and they found throughout lifespan that women on average, their brains were using energy at about 4 years younger. The computers estimated that their brains were 4 years younger.
So does that mean that women are intellectually superior too?
Well, some of us may think so, but yeah.
Yes, some of us do.
Case by case.
But it's case by case, right?
For someone with a drowsy brain, let me ask you this question. What does it mean to be metabolically younger, for people who may not know what the word metabolically means?
That means that you are behaving, your brains are behaving and using energy as a brain 4 years younger than what the computer estimates the brain based on the brain function.
The first question I had, it's really good. The first question I had, then why is it that more women develop Alzheimer's than men if they're functioning metabolically better?
Yeah, so we're not really sure why. It could be that, you know, their hormones may have a role to play. It could also mean that we do know that women who have cardiovascular problems live longer than men with cardiovascular problems, and cardiovascular problems are one of the risks for Alzheimer's disease. But there are multiple reasons why that could be.
And there's no cure yet for Alzheimer's.
There's no cure, but there are plenty of things we can do.
And I want to ask you about that, because what role does diet and exercise play?
Oh, a big role. So about 50 to 60% of cases of Alzheimer's can be prevented by simple lifestyle changes. You could actually, very simple things. You can exercise, aerobic exercise, 30 to 40 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Actually helps to grow brain cells and increases blood flow to the brain. Right? Any kind of diet that's good for you, primarily people ask me, what kind of diet? Any diet that's good for the heart is good for the brain. So a Mediterranean diet is a fun, good way to eat healthy.
Is there anything that men can do to catch up to our brains?
I doubt it.
Should John start doing puzzles?
Yeah.
Well, should you spend more time in the company of women? Because I hear that's a wise thing
That's
to do.
always a good thing to do.
But I'm half kidding, but is there anything people can do, really, to...
Yeah, so you can actually, people think, well, can I do exercises, puzzles, Sudoku, etc. I think if you are somebody who doesn't get frustrated by Sudoku or crossword puzzles, do them. But if they frustrate you, do anything that makes you happy. Learn to do, I don't know, salsa dance, take up sculpture, take up anything that makes you really excited and fun and engages you in life. And the other great secret, good brain health, it's easy. It's fun.
Sleep, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Sleep.
We've got to go.
Sleep is the easiest, best thing you could do for
Someone
a younger,
at the table
healthier
thought
brain.
you were going to say sex. Someone at the table thought you were going to say sex.
It's making you blush, so.
All right, Dr. Gayatri Devi, I'm grabbing the steering wheel now. I'm returning this back to the straight road. Thank you so much for being with us and giving us that to-do list.